Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 arc welder. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Andeli Semi-automatic MIG Welding. Specifications: brand name Andeli. Model number MIG 270. Usage welding. Weight 7.1 kilograms. Dimensions 455 by 180 by 300 millimeters. Voltage 220 volts. Origin mainland China. Item number 4 is our Captain MIG Welding Machine. Specifications: brand name our Captain. Model number AR MIG 20010093429. Usage 6IN1 MIG Welding Machine. Weight 15 kilograms. Dimensions 20.9 inches by 8.5 inches by 16.1 inches. Wire feeding speed 2.0-15 min. Our Captain model AR MIG 200. Origin mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected 2-in-1 Arc MMA Welder Inverter Welding Machine. Specifications: model Arc 300. Frequency 50 to 60 Hz. Volt 110 to 220 volts. Condition range 20 to 300 amperes. Efficiency 93%. Rated input power capacity 7 kVA. Rated load duration 60%. Insulation class IP21. No load voltage 57 volts. Power factor 0.93. Origin mainland China. Item number 2 is HITBOX 3IN1 MIG Welder HBM200. Specifications: brand name HITBOX. Model number HBM200. Usage MIG arc welding. Dimensions 33.5 by 22 by 22.5 centimeters. Pilot arc current as shown. Arc welding function iron welding. Origin mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have DC Inverter Arc Welder. Specifications: brand name Deco. Model number MMA 160-200. Usage welding task. Pilot arc current 60 amperes. Arc current 20 to 200 amperes. Input voltage 220 to 240 volts. Input power 5.8 kilowatt. Efficiency 85%. No load voltage 60 volts. Current range 20 to 200 amperes. Origin mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.